Lily East, Ava Thornton, and Maureen Ogle. Carson Emerson, Sutton Carlton, Mason Love, and Zane Dodson. Together, bows and buckles.
Bring them on, Mason and Ava. Build your bridge. Zane and Millie, dive through and build a bridge. Sutton and Lily, dive through and build a bridge. Carson and Marin, dive through and build a bridge. Mason and Ava, dive through and lead them around. Zane and Millie follow. Go Lily and Sutton. And Carson and Mary. Come on around, Mason. Around in a circle. Keep going. Not Carson and Marin, promenade around. All right, everybody go to your home. Square up and home. Carson and Marin, stand over here on your X's. All right, bow and curtsy to your partner. And now yellow rock your corner. Give them a big hug. Ava and Carson, Mason and Lily. Good, now go back home. Join hands and make a ring and circle left. Turn your circle. Turn it the other way. Good job. Circle south and get a little sunshine in your mouth. Turn right around, you're going wrong. I'll ache to the middle with a great big yell. Stop at home and everybody swing. Mason and Ava go across the hall and take a little peek. Zane and Millie go home. Take her home and give her a swing. Sutton and Lily go across the hall and take a little peek. Take her home and give her a swing. Carson and Marin go across the hall and take a little peek. Nope, Carson. Good job. Take her home and give her a swing. Zane and Millie go across the hall and take a little peek. Take her home and give her a swing. Ladies to the center and backs to the bar. Good. Now go back home. Men to the center with a right hand star. Zane, make your star. Make your star. Girls, stay at home. Boys, put your right hand in. Carson, put your hand in. Turn your star. Pick up your partner when you go by. Stop when you get home, everybody swing. Mason and Ava, take them off. Everybody promenade around the ring. Zane, follow him. All right, everybody take them off over here. Ladies and gentlemen, bows and buckles.
Bows and buckles. Great job, kids. All right.